Okay, it's hay fever season and allergy season, and loads of you are coming back to clinic for hay fever treatments, protocols, which is great because it's really helping quite a lot of you. However, loads of you want to know what you can do at home for self-help. So first of all, I want you to get your fingers and massage what we call bladder 2 here. So it's just probably at the edge of your eyebrows. Just give that a good massage, and with all these points, press on them, massage them, do little circles, whatever you feels good for you. For about 30 seconds on each point. Then from there, move down to find the bridge of your nose, just off there's a nice dip, and then do the same there. This point's called bitong, which is great. My husband's South African, so it makes me laugh because it sounds like biltong, but it's not, it's bitong, B-I-T-O-N-G. Anyway, you want to do exactly the same as that. This looks really glamorous. And then finally, Ally 20, which is a great point just there, right above that deep canine. You can feel it. Give that a really good massage, and you want to do that for about 30 seconds if you can, and just hold it there, put pressure on it. Do that as you're feeling really allergy. It should start to hopefully clear if you can, and you've got those little ear seeds. Your acupuncturist will normally have some ear seeds in their clinic. You can also put the ear seeds on maybe before bed and leave them overnight and see if that helps. But good luck, guys. Okay, if in doubt, go and visit your acupuncturist and see if they can give you help with your allergies. Bye.